Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and it's time for your love bite. Cancer, this is just a small reading, energy check-in to see how you guys are doing and if there's anything that you need to know about your life or your love life. Let's see what wants to come through. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Cancer, as always, we're going to start with a angel blessing card for you. See what my angels have, blessing or an advice for my Cancer. My angels, a blessing or an advice for my, not so many. Okay, blessing or an advice card for my Cancer gang, please. Okay, this one, thank you. So let's put the rest back, Cancer. Let's see what my angels have for you and then we'll get on with your reading. Safe travel, Cancer. No, you're not traveling. Maybe some of you are, very few of you, but this card actually means that you are now being transported from one phase of your life to another. Right? Look at this angel carrying this baby. So that baby is you, Cancer. Angels are helping you transition from one phase of your life to another, and it's going to be provided for. You're going to be looked after. There's nothing to worry about. You may have lots of fears, but don't have them because it seems the universe has your back. So let's get on with your reading, Cancer, and see why this beautiful card is here for you today. Thank you, all my subscribers. Welcome back. Thank you for being here today and being part of the Omkara family. I'm really blessed for all your support. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Cancer, let's begin the spread, a small 9-card spread just to check your energies, and we'll also take 3 cards as advice for you from the universe. On request of all of you, that is. I got some requests saying, Omkara Tarot, please take out some advice cards as well. So here they are. And now we can begin. Some decisions are being made, Cancer, here. Let's put this here. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Cancer, you can reach me at my email, which is in the description box below. Hermit in reverse. Wheel of Fortune. And the 9 of Swords. 8 of Wands. Chariot. 2 of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. 5 of Swords. And the 2 of Cups. Wow. I haven't seen a reading like this before, Cancer. All reversals except one upright card, which is the best card, I think, in my deck. I love this card, the 2 of Cups, right? So dealing with a soulmate connection, it seems. Okay. So, Cancer, what are you going through here right now? It seems that somebody either made some foolish decision here or has been in isolation and separated for quite some time, or been on their own, been at crossroads trying to make some kind of a decision because they feel things have really stuck and maybe luck is not on their side and things are not moving. Maybe there's some decisions to be made. I have 2 cards suggesting the same. Somebody trying to make a decision and somebody trying to make a decision. At crossroads, not being able to see the path forward or the decision, what decision should be made now. But tired of being kind of stressed out and crying and not being able to sleep, thinking things are over, things are just not moving, but yet kind of waiting for some kind of forward movement, waiting for your ships to come in. Some news to say, yes, things are going to be fine, your wish fulfillment is possible, and looking forward to this 1111, which is happily ever after, soulmate connection, stability with the love of your life. So somebody here is wanting this wish fulfillment, trying to manifest it, I think, trying to wait for it, looking forward to some arrival of maybe some news or somebody, and not wanting to be in this stressful situation any longer. Maybe there's been no communication till now. There may have been a fight maybe, but yes, somebody here wants to really, from their heart, they really want to drop this stress and tension, drop this no talking that you guys are in, wants to drop this fight altogether. If there is any blockage in communication, or not, you people are not kind of coming towards each other, somebody is really wanting now, not, oh yes, this person is in love, right? This could be you, Cancer, could be your person. So this seems like a very strong bond, a soulmate connection. Now I have two cards suggesting the same, right? It's Six of Cups, somebody from your past, and the Two of Cups. Beautiful. But there is some kind of stagnancy going on here, Cancer, right now. There is no movement towards each other, I think. And what's this Two of Pentacles then, Spirit? What's this Two of Pentacles? Yes, somebody wants to move forward, after a period of stagnation, I think. Somebody's been going back and forth, not making a decision, not feeling happy that there's no reconciliation happening. Somebody wants to come and have some kind of a conversation or a talk. Somebody wants to talk about a rebirth of this connection. Okay, this could be somebody you see maybe, or maybe, no, this doesn't look like you. This could be an air sign maybe you're dealing with, somebody who's very cut and dried in their conversation actually, but which is a good thing. And seeing this scenario, I think a clear conversation is required. Till now, I think there has been none. Okay, that till now things have been very hazy, things have not been clear, not been as to what we're doing going forward, right? But there are new beginnings coming here, Cancer, it seems, after this conversation. If somebody has been playing mind games with you, somebody has been kind of not having equal give and take, and always been saying, I'm the boss, it's my way or the highway, or doing whatever they've been doing and making you feel like a loser, I think all that is going to soon come to a close here, Cancer. Right now, I think there is still a lot of confusion. Somebody seems to be walking away from this dynamic. But there is a tower moment coming. There's a huge tower moment coming, I think, Cancer, which is going to actually put you in a place of victory. Yes, somebody is coming to you with some kind of conversation about the fact that there is love in their heart for you. Wow. That's going to make you extremely happy. It's going to make you extremely happy, Cancer. There is somebody who you thought was a lost cause, is now, I think, going to have some conversation with you about the love they have in their heart for you. And it's going to make you extremely happy, and it's going to put you in a place of victory once again, right? This is a twin flame or a soulmate connection here. So what's this Two of Cups, Spirit, for Cancer? What's this Two of Cups for Cancer? Something that you thought had come to an end. There was no going back to this, Cancer. You are going to be now leaping forward as the Queen of Wands. This new birth, I think, in this energy. Oh, wow. Cancer, I have the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. Right? And that is clarifying the Two of Cups. I clarified this card, and I got the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. Now this is an equal pair, Cancer. So something that you thought was totally done, over, finished, right? Somebody is coming to talk to you about it, and to have clear communication, which hasn't happened before, I think, for some time. This is somebody definitely from your past. This is a rebirth of a connection. This is a very strong soulmate connection because of the beautiful cards I see on the table here. This is lovely. Yeah, one more card, Spirit, for the Two of Cups. Two of Cups. One more. If you've been stressed out, Cancer, and if you've been single for a very long time, if you've been stuck for a very long time in this position, not knowing whether things are ever going to move forward, take a deep breath, because somebody is coming from your past, somebody is going to be professing their love. So this is your equal counterpart, and there is a lot of love here. Okay, so yes, safe travel. You are moving from this phase of your life thinking nothing is ever going to work out, things are never going to kind of fructify, things have ended, but wanting to come out of it and you're not seeing any results. Hold your peace, things are going to move really fast. Let's see what the universe has for you, Cancer. Tower, okay, Queen of Swords, and the Death in reverse. So why is the Tower a guidance or a message from you, Spirit? Spirit is saying this is going to be a sudden change in your life, it seems, Cancer. If you have been pulling back your love, if you've been sorry, excuse me, if you have been being defensive, or maybe your partner has been defensive, it's going to change your world, it seems. You are going to start working together. You will kind of move away from all these troubled times that you've been in, and you're moving to a fresh new place in your life. And this is not alone. I don't see you moving alone. Yet, what's this Queen of Swords, Spirit? Queen of Swords. One more. Cancer, if you're the feminine watching this right now, the Cancer feminine, if you have started becoming bitter and angry that this is not changing, things are not moving, there is maybe no proposal coming, or there's been problems in the home, in the family situation, or marriage situation, or whatever you've been wishing for long-term happiness, there is somebody coming in, Cancer, to work on the situation, and balance is going to be restored. So I think the universe is saying now it's time to start healing the relationship instead of staying angry and upset with your partner. I think once this Tower moment happens and somebody does make the first move, try and bring some kind of a balance where you put in work as well, right? And if you're the masculine watching this, of course, it's vice versa. Your feminine is a bit upset right now because you haven't been offering, I think, what was required. It's time to bring healing to her and start putting in the work and some investment. So the Death in reverse, Spirit, why is the Death card in reverse here? One more. Death card in reverse. Wow, this is such a true match. It's unbelievable. Now I have, okay, so if you guys, any one of you, the reason why this thing was not working out, I think one of you had a fear of change, okay? One of you, or maybe both of you, had a fear of changing the way things were done in the past. There is going to be swift movement here, Cancer. I have the Knight of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. Now look at these two people, both heading and facing each other with some harsh truths. Okay, this looks like a fight, doesn't it? But what this is going to do, this Death in reverse, the changes that you did not want to make or have been holding off for a long time, this confrontation or this Tower moment, which happens with this, confrontation, is going to bring about a huge transformation. Okay, this is going to open up things which have been kind of not been revealed in the past, and let's see what's going to happen after that. Spirit, what happens after this? After this transformation and the Queen of Swords meets the Knight of Swords, what's going to happen after that? You guys are going to take back control of the situation. Things are going to come back into balance with the Emperor card. I think this balance will be restored. I think there is a love offer coming. There are apologies coming towards you, Cancer. One more, Spirit, one more. This is too exciting. One more. Yes, somebody is coming to apologize for all their bad behavior, Cancer. If somebody has been troublesome or not committing or dipping in and out of your life or whatever, this person is coming to give you an apology. They feel as overburdened as you at the way things have not worked out. Okay, now this person is coming back in emperor mode, trying to take back control of the situation. There could be a little tower moment, there could be an argument here, but the truth of the matter here, Cancer, is this is a soulmate bond. Okay, there is a lot of love here. So somebody from your past is returning. Okay, so get prepared. There could be some fireworks, but it'll all resolve itself. Yes, you are moving now from that phase of your life to the next phase of your life, which I suspect is going to be beautiful. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Cancer. I hope that worked. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.